What's up, people? Uh, yeah, I thought that would be easier for me to record if I do it that way. So let's just see how it goes from here, man. All right, so we got a delivery for sell side for NQ and ES. So I finally took out those equal lows. So happy about that. Right now NQ is rejecting off its daily SIBI, right, from 14,850.50 to the high of 14,978.25. It literally just touched it, touched the SIBI, and then just rejected. So I'm seeing what's happening here. I'm definitely still bearish right now, and if it changes my mind, of course I'll switch over. But I don't mind it coming back up into the SIBI either, and taking out buy side at 14,887.50 for Nasdaq. That's pretty clean. That's why. And then 43.02 would be buy side for yes, but I would like it to go into the SIBI, but we'll see what happens today. It's Monday, first week of trading, or first day of trading for the week. So I'm not really gonna be looking for a big expansion right now, but we'll see what happens. I'm still gonna be testing out these futures options. Right now it's a hard read for longs or shorts. To be honest, I kind of rather be a buyer right now and just hit buy side on the NQ and go a little bit higher for the ES. So it can retrace back a good amount before we start seeing more downside. It just really depends on everything that's happening geopolitically and all that stuff right now. So, that being said, I really do like how we traded the end of the week last week. So that was cool. Let's see. Yeah, we just retested a low from a few days ago last week. Yeah, on the Nasdaq. So that was the SIBI that we're talking about, most likely. Okay. I do like how we broke this low on the 5 minute, and now we're retracing back to it. So I might be looking for a short here actually, but it is a hard thing right now. I don't mind that, but do I think it's gonna go all the way back down? Because I know we're gonna take out the sell side eventually, right? But I don't know. I guess we did take out buy side over here of yesterday's retracement, so we just took that out. Oh, well, I'm showing the 5 minute here. Alright. Yeah, so we just took it out. We took out this range here. Came all the way up. Almost tested these highs up here for the ES. Took out this high here on the NQ. Shifted right here. So right here. but it's kind of hard to trust because of how much we moved up for the day on the session, and I don't mind it going higher. It's not really gonna change anything for me if we go higher from here. But we're at a good rejection point for the NQ, so that's what kind of makes it tough. Same thing for the ES. We kind of made like a lower high. I do have like on the 15-minute, we made that lower low. I'll show it on the 5 right here. We made this lower low here, and then we just went up from there. So that's pretty cool. Same thing here. Symmetrical. Right, so we took out stops here, and then we rallied. So, but it hasn't retraced enough for me to try to sell this. But I don't know if I'm convinced. Sorry, to buy this, but I'm not convinced enough to sell it right now. I don't really have a clear entry. Yes, so. But it looks like it's having a lot of problems trying to get up or trying to reject from here, and I would kind of want it to have a little bit more of a bigger displacement than what we're seeing right now. See, we're just have displacement, and it's retracing all the way back. Looks like it's trying to fill this one right here. I don't mind selling. This is probably a good time to test out my the options. Nothing clear. Let me see. Nothing clear here. I don't mind taking a sell here and then putting a stop right here. So stop above here, entry here. I might take this on the ES. So let me go ahead and try. I'm going to go look at the options chain. There you go. I'm going to move this over here because I'm going to do this. See, it's already trying to go without me. Let me go ahead and go for. I don't mind coming it down here. So let's go do 42.28. Let's go see if that's on the table here. October 28. Okay. Okay, so we're going by fives. So I guess the strikes are only going by fives. So okay, so 42.25. There you go. On a put. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to figure out execution on options. Ugh, now it's going without me. I'm just gonna hit the bid. It's pretty decent. Oh, maybe I just double click. Let me see if that works. Nope, that didn't work. 42. OEX 4. I don't even know what that means, man. Oh, there you go. Oh, trade. Okay. Oh. Trade 5. Going. What's the goal right now? 22. Oh, it goes by 5 cents. Sorry, guys. Just figuring this out right now. So I don't wanna try trading these options, and I better check if I'm able to trade these options too. Oh. Ugh, there it is. There it is. I put my bid at what kind of bothers me is that I put my bid at 22. It hasn't filled me. It's already at 25. Because they're trying to sell it at 23 now. I'm gonna trade and then sell. What I don't like is that it's like, what the fuck? Okay, there you go.
Order filled.
There you go. Now I'm filled. What am I filled at though? Yeah, I was filled at 23. So it was a $5 kind of slippage of where it was at. Okay. Yeah, see, it was a good short here actually. It's nice. I mean, you got your what do you got? You got 10 points on that run actually. Damn. Oh, this is a fucking 5 minute. This way. Damn. Wonder why it looks so different. Oh, so 5-2. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Why it's taking a minute. Oh, so I was reading this thing all doodly wrong. I'm late to the party then. Yeah, it still looks good though from that standpoint. I'm gonna put my stop. And then put my stop right below this. Let's toss me out. Let's toss me out, guys. Might have been a quick decision here, but we'll see what happens. I don't mind it going down. I don't mind ES going down to 42.38, and then for NQ 14.630.75. So we'll see. Had a good feel here. I'm just a tick below the SIBI for the 1 minute. It already took a sell side here though. We'll see if it wants to continue downward. Yeah, I would, if it can get down here. Yeah, 43. I don't mind it getting down here. And then rejecting. I do like how we're cheating the higher time frames right now for downside. But do I expect us to break lows today? I don't know. I don't think so. I wouldn't mind just leaving that in and just retracing it and then having another rally and get everyone excited. Okay, I want to see how it treats this wick here. So this wick is. Let's see. If, I'll give it a little bit of time. It doesn't even want to get close to this wick, and this is what I'm interested in. I want to see it get below this and close below it, and then I'll hold it. If it starts chopping around from here, I'll get out. I don't like how we're at the 12 o'clock for this one. On the ES, but we're kind of far in the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ can show heaviness. I wouldn't mind holding for the ES, but we'll see. Definitely tough price action right now. I mean, just look at this. It's a lot of peaks and troughs. So it's very high resistance. So something I'm probably wouldn't entirely want to trade. This is definitely not my favorite setup. But I don't mind downside here. But I don't mind this also bouncing and making a lower high. A higher low. There you go. Okay. All right. We went through this 50%. I just want to see how we close in this candle. If we don't close this candle, I definitely wouldn't be so happy about it, and we'll see. I might close it here depending how we go from after hitting that 50% retracement or consequent encroachment of that wick. Ooh. Yeah, see, I don't really care for that. So we'll see where it closes. This candle, if it doesn't get below it and stay below it, I'm out. So okay, I'm looking at the options right now. Definitely a different kind of spread on the options. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to change my to my actual account, and let me see if I can actually like buy options. All right, looks like we're trying to break that low, baby. Let's go, bro. Let's go. After it breaks this low, I don't mind going to break even, and if it goes back up, stops me out, stops me out. I don't care. I'm aiming for down here. If I had more contracts, I would definitely if I had more contracts, I would take profits right at 5 points and hold for winners. So this is kind of tough because I don't mind selling this. Just imagine me selling here, though. Oh, that's a good amount, actually. Damn. Can we get more, though? Can we get more? Can we get this one? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me put a limit there. Nice. 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 I don't mind actually putting right at that low. Right there. Yeah. So see if we're going to get that fill. Just one tick below it or above it. I like that. Ooh. It wants to hit that, though. This is probably the best move that it's had this whole day. Everything else has been choppy. It's pretty close to it. I don't mind taking here. We'll just give it a chance, shall we? When I see expansions like this, I know we're gonna try to go back up a little bit, like a big impulse swing. We're usually gonna retrace, right? And I'm only sitting through that. So if I see a green candle, I usually close it after a big move like this. I don't care, you know. If I don't think it's gonna try to move more, then I'm good, right? All right, let's go see. I don't want it to. I wouldn't mind if it rejects this. Yeah, if it hits the top of that previous candle and then just closes that gap in for this, so there's no fair value gap. Okay, yeah, I don't mind that. It gets above it, I'll close right there. So let me just put my stop right above that. I don't mind. I like that way that it wicked up, touched that high, and then rejected it. So if it comes up and it stops me out, that's fine. If I had more contracts and I was able to take profits on the way down, I would be more inclined to hold for this all the way to this bottom, but I just put one on. So, Let's see. Let's get close. Stop me out. And I'm fine with that. I think max was 50. Got me out of 40. See, I put a contract on for for the MES options. It's up about $10. So that's kind of giving you a good estimate because I kind of shorted up up here as well. So I mean, $40. It's only $10. So to me, the options is a good. Let's go see. I like this. It's probably gonna go test this, but we'll see. See, it's hard to hold if you don't have more contracts. So if you have one, then just take the big bulk of the move and then just close it. That's fine, right? Don't be trying to shoot for the lowest low, the highest high, because you're just asking for perfection. And you should be asking just for the good amount of the move. If you can get a good portion of the move, you should be happy with that. Like imagine if since I shorted up here, right? That's a good range. That's probably the best trade. I was here. I mean, yeah, this is the write up, and then maybe this one over here. But how like is this the one where I broke lows? Oh yeah. This was nice. This was like a nice trade. This is definitely the trade of the day. If you bought that lower low, knowing that we're gonna probably rally, which was a good idea because it was time to go back up for a little bit. After taking out a sell side, like I didn't mind a retracement at all. In fact, I was hoping for it. It was good higher prices. Okay. Yep. See, wick this 50 consequent encroachment. I want to see what happens here. I would like it just to bounce off this. If it can reject this, I don't mind. Especially where we're at right now. Nasdaq didn't want to really retrace that deep. Yeah, we're at Sorry, I don't know when that thing went off. Again, it kind of pisses me off. It's like, what the hell? 42.25k. 42.25. There you go. And sell it.
Order filled.
And sold. Nice. Nice. So that was a $20 profit. So definitely half of what the move would be. So let me see. I can't give you an exact, but I know it was around here. So let's go say like that. Let's make this one contract. So I got all the way to the 72s. So on the micro, I left $30 on the table, but that's okay, right? Because if I didn't have another contract on there, tough. You know what I mean? I don't want to be holding for big winners every single time. It's gonna burn you in the end. You keep trying to, if you keep trying to hold for the biggest move every single time and just hit home runs, you're gonna get burned and you're not gonna have enough profits. Like you want to just take little small hits, base hits. Hey, every time I hit this, I'm gonna take profit here. I'm gonna take profit here. As long as you're taking a little bit more than you're risking, right? You'll be fine. I definitely could have put in 2 contracts here though. So that's kind of tough because I wish I would show that right when it got here. I would sell, right? Right when it broke this low, sell. It was about 5 points in, and then I would hold for this and sell right into this, and I would have been done. It's over, right? I know it's hindsight, right? Hindsight. But I was saying, this is where I would want us to go, and I want us to bounce from here, and we're gonna see if that happens. If we don't get it, we don't get it. Okay. I'll move on. But right now, I'd rather it bounce from here. If it rejects this, like, oh my gosh, we're heavy, dude. If we try to make up for all this rally, yeah, it can still go down here, but I would do want it to keep this. We'll see how much of a tracement it is. I don't want it going too low. I don't mind staying up here. Yeah, we're in the 50%. So we're in a discount now. Um, yeah, I just want to see what happens here. Now, if we close this, let me get rid of this. Sorry, guys. There you go. It's always easier. I just learned how to do that. We can close this low here. So let me just mark it up so we can see where it's at. If we close this Cibi, I don't mind it breaking that low. Like, that would be my next delivery. But I kind of don't want it to. I do want it to kind of stay open. Just let's go a little higher. I like highs on NQ. I think we should. I would be more. I would have an easier time if we went in there and took buy side and went into 14,928.50. If we go in there, we'll see what happens. I definitely don't want it to go back into the weekly Cibi though. If it starts doing that, then I'm Oh my gosh. When was this thing freaking stop? It stopped recording. I need to like figure out a way to look at this because I'm talking to it. Ugh, I'm kind of bummed because I don't know when this thing muted. When did it mute, guys? Fuck. Damn. Damn, I was talking this whole time. My bad, guys. You know, I totally understand. I totally understand when I see the videos and they're muted and they have no sound. Like, nah, I totally understand now. I get it. I get it. Okay. Ugh, I'm so bummed. But anyways, I don't know if you guys were hearing anything. Let's just go. Ugh, I was doing so good too, man. I was doing so good. Anyways, I'm still bearish long term, but I don't mind a retracement. I don't mind hitting buy side. Okay, we'll see how it happens here. But I don't mind retracing from here. That's the thing. I don't mind going back up, and I don't mind taking some buy stops because we've been going down a good amount. We haven't really had a good rally, and I don't mind retracements. I don't, right? You can try to go one direction, but man, when it turns around, it's really fast, right? Like it really tries to go back up there, and I don't mind having an expansion, retracing back, and then I'll sell that because it's really nice, right? Like it's just like I have less worries. I don't believe it should go back up. You know what I mean? Compared to it went down and then it's going back up, and then I would just wait for it to show me that it has a willingness to go back down, and I will try to sell that. It's the same thing, vice versa, right? Man, I'm fucking pissed right now that I did. Oh, fuck you. I don't know what I did. Hopefully you guys got the portion when I was talking about all of this here. I think I got that. I think it was talking about buy side. Uh, I know this was a good execution here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the charts. Huh? See, this is the daily civvy. So we look here. Right there. Right here. And this is a volume imbalance, but I'm including that into the civvy. I don't mind because to me it's a gap altogether, right? So we just gotta incorporate that. That's why I put it down here, and it just touched it and rejected it, right? So I like that. This one couldn't hit it. So you took out stops here, rallied. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's say the daily. Yeah, it couldn't get into here. And like I said, I don't mind it getting into here. I don't mind it coming back up here and testing this before rejecting. We'll see. If it can't get through this, uh, it's pretty heavy, and I think we're gonna really try to shoot for this next low down here. But we'll see. We just had a big impulse here after tracing back and testing this high up here, going to the civvy. So it wouldn't be impossible for it to go here, but I would want it to go up a little bit and take some and retrace a little bit. What was he? Right, this is the beginning of the week, guys. I want to see how things play out. So yeah, and then we got see. So I shorted here. I shorted a tick below this rectangle, right? This civvy, and it was a good move. I took off profits right here, came down here, consequent encroachment, which is fine. So I probably left maybe $80 on the table, but which is totally fine, right? If I had 2 contracts, I would have done it. But I was looking at it and it looked really good, and I didn't want it to escape me, so I just took it, right? So it's just one of those, which is fine. Oh, damn, I'm sad I didn't screenshot that, but it's cool. It's totally cool. Mm. Yeah, see, I didn't mind the bounce here. Man, I'm gonna call in the market, people. Call in the markets. What do you know? I'm gonna go in here and then bounce up here. Oh wow. And then it just like plops down. Drip. Drip, drip. I'm gonna be fixing something on my thing, and I just want to see if what happens if that happens. I'm still trying to figure out text and all that stuff, man. So it's like when I say like BRB and all that stuff, it's like um, what's the word, bro? I just want to have it where it's a scene with my disclaimers, and it all shows in the beginnings, and then when I click on it, it will just show like BRB, right? And I gotta figure out things like that. Uh, so for now, you just kind of have to deal with me walking away, but like I know that I need to put another scene saying like "be right back" or I want to put that scroll text too on the top. I thought it was pretty cool. Put my Instagram handle on that. Um, no one's been watching this. It's cool, man. I'm actually really enjoying this. Um, I guess just with everything, I don't know. It's fun. I get why people do it. Always wanted to do this, but it's just I never really had something I can do that I really like, that I wouldn't think it would be a lot of work, and I don't think it was like everyone does. Like, I remember when I started trying to do this, I was doing like food. I was trying to do like taste tests on like weird things, entertainment things, but then it just felt like a lot of work. Like I had a lot of prep. Compared to this, I turn on the lights, I turn on my webcam, I look at something I really enjoy doing. Like, this is a passion for me now. I got bit hard, and I enjoy this. I like this. Um, so that's the cool thing about it, right? But okay. Sorry, guys. I was doing math, and I was like, "What am I doing here?" Okay, cool. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna have to move this over here, but then this would not make this my main display, right? Hmm. I'll fix that later. Sorry, guys. I don't mind it rallying from here. Nice. Okay, so where are we at? Try 248. 42, 47. really dumped up here. Damn. Yeah, volatility is real, bro. I can't even get any of these. Let's see. 42.65. 85 is a stretch though. For now, I wanna see what I can afford. Let me see if I can do this one and just buy. Oh, that's 20. So let me do 21. 21 times 5, guys. That's the margin required.
Order filled.
Okay, so it did pass me. Okay, cool. That's good to know. Risk passed. I'm probably gonna end it here. Ooh, nice. That is. Bought at a good time. I'm probably gonna end it here because I want to try to see if I can fix my my screens, put like the BRB and the disclaimers and all that wonderful stuff. So until next time, guys. Oh, I bought a call down here, so let's go see if we can get up there. Hopefully, I bought a call. I'll check. See, I feel like I need to tape this thing. I really don't like how this mute thing is like messing me up, brother. And I'm gonna keep doing it if I don't tape it. So maybe I'll just tape it or something. I don't know. I still gotta figure out stuff here. I'm telling you, bro. I still gotta figure out stuff. Oh yeah, this is a short live stream, but that was a good trade though. That was a good trade. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that one. Shoot.